Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I want to say you some of exercise. Be ready students. Everyone sit in your place. Sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, stop. Jump, stop. Jump, stop. Hands up. Put your hands down. 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 Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Okay, children? Everyone sit in a place. Children, take out your classwork. Everyone open your classwork, ma. See, everyone should draw the clock. Okay? Okay, first circle you should draw. Again, year 12, year 6, year 3, year 9. See, year to year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. See children, see what is this dots? You know the long and short hand. Yes, you people know long and short hand. Long hand is minutes hand. Short hand is in hour hand. Yes. Now see minute hands moves here in these dots. Yes. 1 year to year, this dot to this dot, 1 minute. Understood? Like that, how many dots here have? 60 dots. Understood? 60 dots is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Understood, children? 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. See, in this clock, here second hand also is here. As thin is there, na? This thin hand will call seconds hand. Okay, that it will move one round means 1 minute. Understood? See, it is moving or not? See here once. Yeah, it is moving now. If 12 to again 12. If this hand comes is 1 minute. Understood? Like that, this hand is there, na, long hand. That hand year to year one round if will take means 1 hour. Understood, children? See, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Understood? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Understood, children? 24 hour is equal to 1 day. Okay, 7 days is equal to 1 week. 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. Understood? Write in the classwork. You should do this in the classwork. You should draw first clock. After that, this one you should write in the classwork. Understood, children? See, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 7 days is equal to 1 week. 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. Understood, children? See, listen carefully. Here, see, year to year, how many minutes will take? 12 to 1, 5 minutes. 12 to 2, 10 minutes. 12 to 3, 15 minutes. Understood, children? This minute hand, it will move like this. And it will come again in 12 minutes, 1 hour. Understood? Copy in the classwork, properly should draw. Now what is the time in the clock? Tell me. 3 o'clock. See, in this clock, what is the time? See, hour hand is in 11, minutes hand is in 11 to 12 between. What is the time now? Still 3 minutes are there for 11 o'clock. Understood? See, this second hand, it's moving. It's move 3 rounds means 12 o'clock. Understood? Sorry, 11 o'clock. Because it's move 1 round means 1 minute will take. Yes. Again 1 round means another minute. Again 1 round means another minute. 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, 11 o'clock. Yes or no? You should know the how to read the clock, you know na? Did you understand, children, what I am saying? See, 12 to 1. This 12 to 1, this hand comes is 5 minutes. Okay. Minute hand, if we will move 12 to 1, 5 minutes. 12 to 2, if you move means 10 minutes. 12 to 3, 15 minutes. 12 to 4, 20 minutes. 12 to 5, 25 minutes. 12 to 6, 30 minutes. 12 to 7, 35 minutes. 12 to 8, 40 minutes. 12 to 9, 45 minutes. 12 to 10, 50 minutes. 12 to 11, 55 minutes. 12 to 12, 60 minutes. Understood? 60 minutes is equal to how many hours? 1 hour. Understood, children? See, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 7 days is equal to 1 week. 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. You should keep it in the mind this. Understood? Hour hand means short hand. Minute hand means long hand. Thin hand is seconds hand. Understood? See now. Now what is the time? 11 o'clock. Because short hand is in 11 o'clock. 11. Long hand is in 12. 11 o'clock now. Understood? Children, open your workbook now, everyone. Applications. Very short answer question. At what time do you come home from school? What time will go for school to home? Tell me. 4 o'clock. As 15th one. Now, 16th one. What is that question? List all your morning activities in sequence till you reach school. Also write the time at which you do them. See, morning activities. What you will do in the morning to school time. You should write that. Okay? This is your homework. 16th one, your homework. List all your morning activities in sequentially till you reach school. Okay. Also write the time at which you do them. Understood, children? You should do this. 16th one, that is your work. Okay. 17th one. Fill in the blanks by looking at the clock. See here. Here they given clocks as. See here long hand is in 12, short hand is in 4. What is the time? What is the time? A. 4 o'clock. S. See here long hand is in 12, short hand is in 4. S. What is the time now? 4 o'clock. A1 is 4. Next, B1. Long hand is in 12, short hand is in 9. What is the time? 9 o'clock. S. See here. Next, C1. Long hand is in 12, short hand is in 10. What is the time? C1, 10. S. Now D1. See, long hand is in 12, short hand is in 6. What is the time? 6 o'clock. Okay. Next, what is that? Draw the hands of the clock shown. See, they given clocks. S. 2 clocks they given. In that you should write the time. Okay. You should draw the time. Draw the hands of the clock to shown. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock means what you have to do? 1 o'clock. Long hand is in 12. Short hand is in 1. S. 1 o'clock means what? Long hand is in 12, short hand is in 1. You should draw that. Okay? Next, 3 o'clock. What you will do? Short hand is, you should show the 3. Yes? Long hand is in 12, short hand is in 3. Understood? Draw. You people understood now? How to read the time.